In this video, we are going to have a look at column ordering on responsive devices. And with this widget, you can reorder items based on multiple device factors. So here are a few examples. And this is what they look like on a desktop computer. But in a few moments, we are going to show you how you can change their positions based on mobile devices. And for this, simply watch the complete video to learn how you can achieve that. Well, hello everyone, my name is Dave from the Plus Addons for Elementor, and today we are going to explore the Column Improvements widget, which is a very powerful Elementor add-on that will allow you to reorder your columns based on type of devices. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we upload 2 new Elementor videos every week, which will make you an Elementor master in no time. All right. So let's get started. And welcome to our WordPress dashboard. So first, let's address our essential plugins. So as you can see here, we need Elementor. You can also install Elementor Pro, but this feature will work on Elementor, the free version. And also we will need the Plus Addons for Elementor and the Plus Addons for Elementor Pro, because this feature is part of the Pro version of the Plus Addons. Now let's make sure that our widget is enabled. So we go to the Plus settings, Plus widgets. In the search box, look for column. And let's scroll down our page, and this is the one that we need, order and width column. So as you can see, this is part of the Pro version. So let's make sure that this toggle switch is on, and let's click save. And now we need to clear the cache. So we go into performance and purge all cache. Okay. And then again, save. And that's just all done for all the initial settings. And now we can go and make those changes to our page. So we go to pages. We have our page ready here, responsive column ordering. So let's edit with Elementor. Okay, and to explain this feature, we have a very simple example here. As you can see, we have a section here made out of 4 different columns. So we have A1, B2, C3, and D4, okay? So technically at the moment, if we have a quick preview, this is what they look like in the front end. And now let's discover this in mobile mode. So let's inspect. Let's change this to mobile mode. Very good. So as you can see, the very first one displaying here is A1, followed by B2, C3, and then D4. Now, what if you wanted to have B2 first, A1 second, or mix and match all these different items here? How can you do this? Okay, so let's go back to our Elementor page. Now, by default with Elementor, the only option available is this one. So if you go into advanced here and then responsive, as you can see, you can reverse the columns on tablet or mobile phone. And if you do so, A1 and B2 will be inverted, but the others will remain the same. Now, what if you wanted to have D4 first, A1 third, C3 second, and B2 last? How can you do this? And this is precisely where the Plus add-on widget comes into play. So let me show you very quickly now. So if you click on any of those columns, so either A1, B2, C3, or D4, so let's start with A1. If you click on this, we go into the advanced section. We have the Plus Extra. So if you click on this, it will reveal a few options. And the one we're interested in today is the column order. And from here, we're going to select our mobile device. There you go. And as you can see now with A1, B2, C3, and D4. And now we can change the order. So let's say if we wanted A1 to be last. So I could select 4. Okay. Now we can do the same with B2. So let's select B2, advanced, Plus Extra, mobile mode. So let's put B2 third. Now we're going to select this one, advanced, Plus Extra, order. Let's put this one first. And we're going to have D4. Well, it will be for a second then, okay? So let's select second here. There you go. Now if we update and we go back to our front end, as you can see, C3 is first, D4 second, B2 third, and A1 last. And this is how you can easily reorder your columns on your page. Now let me show you another example. So usually a menu section looks like this. You have a logo, the menu section in the middle, and very often a call to action. Now if we have a look in the front end, this is what it looks like in mobile mode. So you have the logo and then the hamburger menu followed by the call to action. So that doesn't look very neat, does it? So what most people would do normally is to resize this basically, okay? So for mobile mode, so let's go into mobile mode and let's do this together. So we would have normally our logo taking up maybe 50% of the width. Maybe we'll have our menu section taking up 25% and our call to action, the rest, so 25 again. Now, if I save this and update, if we go back to our homepage, as you can see here, that looks a lot better. Now, the issue we're having here is that our menu should normally be on the right-hand side, not in the middle. So with this widget, now we can reorganize this in mobile mode. So all we have to do is basically go back here to our Elementor page, and we are going to click on our menu here, Advanced, we go plus Extra, and as you can see, mobile mode, we're going to select this and we're going to put this in third position, just like that. And as you can see now, it's pushing it to the far right. And then we can update and have a quick look in our front end. And again, as you can see, it looks absolutely perfect now. So basically, this is a very fantastic feature from the Plus add-on, because normally with Elementor, what you would normally do is to duplicate this and hide it in desktop mode, which is not very handy. And let me show you one more example for a store page for an e-commerce, as you can see with the description here, and then the buy now, and then the content of our page. So maybe you would want this to be on top, which is much more user-friendly if you think of it, okay? So all we have to do basically is to click on our column here. We go into Advanced, plus Extra. Let's put this one first, okay? And now we're going to move our description to the second position here. So Advanced, plus Extra. We are going to change our column order to 2. There you go. And as you can see, this is much more user-friendly. Now, let me show you another cool feature that comes with the Plus add-ons. So let's go into desktop mode here. So let's say if you had 2 columns like this, we could resize this a little bit, and you could actually have a sticky add to cart feature here in this column. So just to entice your visitors to purchase now. So we can easily do that. Click on the column again. We go into advanced mode plus extra. And this time we're going to enable the sticky column here. So let's click on this. That's all. Now let's click update and let's have a quick look in the front end. And now if we scroll down the page, as you can see, this is our call to action, buy now. Then let's scroll down and now it is sticky. As you can see, you can scroll up and down the page. It is always visible. That's it for now. If you liked and learned something new in this video, then feel free to share with all of your friends and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so that YouTube knows that you loved this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.